These hot chicken tacos are actually a recipe that I originally made maybe way back in like 2016. And at that time, it was a sponsored blog post. I did a brand trip to Nashville with Old El Paso, actually, and we did a taco tour and we ate a lot of hot chicken. And right when I came back, I was like, oh, this is a no-brainer to write a hot chicken taco recipe. This was the time, I'm not saying I'm like innovative or anything or ahead of the trends, but it was a little bit before the true hot chicken like madness that has occurred over the past 5 years. I wanted to revisit this recipe to update it and maybe modernize it, but I actually did keep it pretty similar to the original. The main thing I did was I made homemade tortillas and I made soft shell. I thought that that would match better with the crispy hot chicken itself. The tortillas are just flour, lard, baking powder, and hot water. And then I roll them out thin and cook them in a dry cast iron pan. I didn't have buttermilk on hand. I marinated the chicken with some spices and regular milk and a little vinegar to emulate the vibe of buttermilk. The slaw was just cabbage, carrot, and I diced a little bit of scallions and Fresno chilies in there and added some mayo, mustard, hot sauce, and vinegar. I was thinking of doing a more elaborate ranch, like jalapeno ranch or something, but I decided to just go straight forward. This is my typical ranch that I make with mayo, mustard, yogurt, a lot of herbs, garlic, and gochugaru. I don't love using a tortilla press for flour tortillas. I don't think they get thin enough. So I start with a plate to make them round, and then I just roll them out until they're as thin as I possibly can. When you get them in a hot pan, if they're not bubbling up like this, you need to make them thinner. And then after I did all the tortillas, I just added the oil right to the same pan. After the chicken was fully marinated, I dipped it in a flour mixture, and I did put some lemon pepper into the chicken marinade as well as the flour because I live in Atlanta now and I put lemon pepper on everything. After you dip it into the flour, put it back into the marinade quick and then back into the flour. And this is going to give it a really nice crusty exterior. Fry it until it's brown and crispy, and then you take a little bit of that fry oil and drizzle it into this blend of spices. There's some cayenne in here, chili powder, garlic. The full list, if you want to know, the full recipe is always on my website. Take that oil, drizzle it over the chicken, and you have a really tasty hot chicken. I feel like every video now scrunches up the tortillas to prove, I guess, that they did a good job making them. So here's the tortillas and the beautiful ranch. I love the gochugaru flakes that you can see. And the slaw is like nice and juicy after sitting in the fridge for a little bit. I did put the slaw down first in this taco and then the pickles and then the chicken because I wanted the crispy chicken to sort of shine on top of the tacos and not get buried or soggy by all the ingredients. I was thrilled with how this came out, and I was so happy to be revisiting it because it had been a long time and I kind of have been jaded by the trendiness of hot chicken, and just having it in such a pure, delicious way made me happy.